Anyone familiar with power tools knows Makita delivers reliable performance. This year, Makita is dropping a fresh lineup packed with clever innovations. From heavy-duty nailers to practical outdoor tools, every new Makita product offers something unique and useful. In this video, we take a look at 16 new Makita tools available this year and break down what makes each one worth checking out. Small but mighty, this 18-volt LXT polisher and sander combo fits into tight spots where larger tools cannot reach, yet still delivers professional-level results. Dual speed settings let you go up to 2,800 revolutions per minute for polishing, or up to 9,500 revolutions per minute for sanding, making it versatile for finishing or buffing delicate surfaces. A brushless motor keeps the tool running cooler and more efficiently, while the rubberized gear housing protects work surfaces from scratches. Anti-restart protection keeps it safe after battery swaps, and it comes with 3-inch polishing pads and 2-inch sanding accessories. Star protection technology constantly monitors performance, ensuring consistent results whether you are refinishing furniture, working on automotive touch-ups, or doing precise sanding. Makita designed this subcompact tool for maximum control and comfort in every task. Packed with serious cutting power, the Makita UC030G is a 40-volt XGT cordless chainsaw that matches the performance of 50 to 60 cubic centimeter gas saws without the fumes or pull start hassle. Adjustable chain speed reaches up to 29 meters per second, and 3-speed settings let you tailor performance to any cutting task. A soft grip handle keeps control comfortable during long sessions, and the high-output battery delivers fast cuts, reaching top speed in under 9 seconds. The bright control interface makes operation easy, while acceleration feels smooth and responsive. Rated IPX4M for water and dust resistance, this chainsaw can handle tough outdoor conditions. Automatic chain lubrication and tool-free tensioning simplify maintenance, making the Makita UC030G a favorite for professionals looking to ditch gas entirely. Getting nails exactly where you want them is easy with the Makita Cordless Upright Nailer DBN601, thanks to its slim nose that maximizes visibility in tight spaces. Driving depth adjusts quickly without tools, and it runs completely gas-free, keeping maintenance low and work uninterrupted. A dry fire lock prevents accidental shots when the magazine is empty, while the built-in LED light keeps your workspace bright in dark corners. Powered by an 18-volt battery, the brushless motor and pneumatic spring delivers strong, fast, and long-lasting performance. It handles pin lengths from 19 to 64 millimeters with a magazine capacity of 110 pins, all while running at a manageable 94 decibels. Professionals love this nailer for its speed, precision, and cordless convenience. Speed and power meet in the Makita 40-volt XGT 4-speed high-torque drive impact wrench, built to handle tough fastening and loosening jobs without an air compressor. It packs 1,180 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque and 1,000 foot-pounds for fastening, giving full-size performance in a cordless package. 4-speed jettings let you match torque to the task, while a variable speed trigger ensures precise control. 3 forward and 3 reverse auto-stop modes save time and reduce wear by stopping automatically when the fastener's done. Lightweight and durable, the GWT-03 is ideal for shops, job sites, or large machinery work, delivering fast, efficient, and reliable high torque whenever it is needed. Step up your heat work with the Makita HG001G, a 40-volt XGT cordless heat gun that outperforms the old 18-volt model in every way. It hits 600 degrees Celsius and pushes 80% more airflow for faster, more efficient heating. Perfect for paint removal, plastic welding, shrink tubing, or soldering, gives full cordless freedom. A backlit LCD display shows temperature, airflow, battery level, and error alerts, while adjustable settings let you fine-tune heat and air volume. Maximum airflow reaches 200 liters per minute, and the kit includes a variety of nozzles: glass protection, wide slot, reflector, reduction, solder sleeve reflector, welding, and overland welding, stored in a protective case. Professionals love the added power and runtime, making it a go-to tool for automotive, electrical, and finishing tasks. Grinding and polishing become effortless with the Makita 40-volt XGT die grinder, offering cordless freedom while keeping full control. Choose between the GD001G with a slide switch or the GD002G with a paddle switch for smoother handling. Both use a brushless motor and electric brake for safety and fast stops. Speeds range from 7,000 to 29,000 revolutions per minute, ideal for rust removal, polishing, or grinding, and the spindle lock makes swapping accessories quick. Active feedback sensing technology shuts the tool down if it binds. Built-in LEDs boost visibility, and high water resistance keeps it tough on job sites. Powered by the XGT battery system, it delivers consistent heavy-duty performance that feels just like a pneumatic grinder without the hoses or compressor. Cleanup becomes simple with the Makita XGT cordless vacuum cleaner, built for both wet and dry messes. It delivers 15 kilopascals of sealed suction and moves 2 cubic meters of air per minute, all while running quietly at 75 decibels. The VC013GL model works with Makita's Auto Start wireless system, while the 14GL version includes a flexible hose stretching from 0.4 to 2 meters. Both models feature filter bags and tank capacities of 7.5 liters for dry or 4.5 liters for wet cleanup. Adjustable suction from 25 to 165 watts and a blower function give precise control. IPX4 water resistance and 22 to 120 minutes of runtime make it perfect for job sites needing portable, quiet, and reliable cleaning power. Clearing leftover dust and shavings is easy with the Makita 40-volt XGT compact blower, built for quick cleanups without the bulk of a full-size blower. Small but mighty, it pushes 127 cubic feet of air per minute at speeds up to 221 miles per hour, all from a tool just 20.25 inches long. 3 speed settings help balance power and battery life, and you can get up to 30 minutes of runtime on high. Ergonomic and lightweight, it feels comfortable even during long jobs, whether you're clearing sawdust, debris, or doing a quick yard sweep. Cordless convenience and industrial-level performance make this compact blower a favorite for professionals looking to replace compressed air. Yard work becomes more precise with the Makita 40-volt XGT 6-inch pruning saw, ideal for pruning and light limbing. The GCU007 features a 6-inch bar and chain with a tool-free tensioning system for quick adjustments. Compact but powerful, it delivers up to 80% more power and 70% faster cuts, completing up to 400 cuts in 2-inch cedar on a 40-volt XGT 2.5 amp-hour battery. Weighing under 5 pounds, it is easy to handle for long sessions. A brushless motor and intelligent digital system ensure smooth, efficient performance, making this saw a dependable tool for tree trimming, landscaping, or any job that demands both power and precision. When tackling large timber, thick beams, or pressure-treated lumber, the Makita 40-volt XGT 16.3-inch circular saw, modeled GSH06, takes charge. As the world's largest cordless circular saw, it cuts up to 30% faster than comparable corded models. It handles 6x material at 90 degrees and 4x at 45 degrees in a single pass, with a bevel range from 0 to 45 degrees and positive stops at 15, 30, and 45 for precise angles. A single 5 amp-hour battery delivers up to 75 cuts, and weighing just over 24 pounds, 4 pounds lighter than corded versions, its die-cast aluminum body keeps it manageable. Ergonomic and well-balanced, this saw brings serious power and precision, while the XGT system lets professionals leave cords behind without sacrificing performance. Say goodbye to noisy gas-powered trimming with the Makita 40V XGT 24-inch Hedge trimmer, model GHU02. It delivers clean, consistent power without emissions, perfect for professional landscapers. The brushless motor reaches up to 5,000 strokes per minute, and 3 speed settings let you balance performance and runtime. A 24-inch dual-action double-sided blade ensures precise cuts, and a quick tap reverse function clears jams effortlessly. A single 40V XGT 4Ah battery provides up to 6 hours of continuous use, with no oil, spark plugs, or fuel to manage. Cordless, quiet, and emission-free, the HU01 delivers professional performance without the hassles of gas-powered tools. Sweeping large areas gets a serious upgrade with the Makita 40V XGT 25.5-inch vacuum sweeper, model GSV01. Designed to clean up to 11 times faster than a broom, its wide path handles everything from fine dust to large dry debris. 2 fully charged 40V XGT 8Ah batteries let it cover 93,000 square feet in one go, about the size of 2 football fields, and it can even pick up items under 20 inches, like plastic bottles. A 3-brush system captures dust and debris from every angle for a thorough clean in a single pass. Perfect for workshops, driveways, or warehouses, this cordless sweeper delivers fast, efficient performance without cords, making large area cleanup simple and stress-free. Precision cutting goes cordless with the Makita 40V XGT dual bevel sliding compound miter saws, available in 10-inch and 12-inch models. Both run at 3,600 revolutions per minute, driven by high-efficiency brushless motors that maintain speed and torque under heavy loads. AWS compatibility lets you connect wirelessly to a dust extractor for cleaner, safer work. Dual bevels tilt up to 48 degrees each way with positive stops, while a 60-degree miter range gives flexibility for angled cuts. An LED cut line indicator ensures perfect alignment, and the sliding fence system handles everything from small trim to wide crown molding. The 10-inch version stays portable and balanced, while the 12-inch model maximizes cutting depth, delivering corded-level performance with cordless convenience for professional precision. Keeping tools and fasteners organized gets smarter with the Makita MacTrack Deep Compact Organizer. This modular system is designed for long fasteners while taking up only quarter of the space of a full rolling tool chest. Any box opens without unstacking, thanks to a track mount lid with a one-latch release that works even with gloves. A large comfort grip handle fits bigger hands, and inside 5-inch deep removable bins hold both large and small parts, with dividers and the ability to attach to the lid or mount on a wall. Clear lids show contents, ribbed bottoms prevent shifting, and security features include a hidden tracker slot and reinforced padlock eyelet. Stackable and versatile, this organizer delivers next-level portability, access, and total organization for busy job sites. That wraps up 16 new Makita tools you can get in 2025. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, leave a comment, and share with friends if you found this helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this straight to your feed.